Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This is my bestie Laura and my name is Lina, and we make videos about food, traveling and all things luxury. If you like any of these topics, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss any of our new videos.
Today we make our video about dry cleaning the Canada Goose jacket. For example, today we have my jacket, or the Trillium Parka. I have it already for 7 years and I wear it every winter, almost every day. Over the years, the upper texture will get a little bit used and the color will fade out because of the cotton within the material. With several spots on the jacket, for instance under the armpits or on your wrists here, you get a little fading out of this color. Canada Goose says it's built character over time. So it's your decision whether you dry clean it or not. We, for instance, like a true black. So we insert some pictures, you see the spots where the color faded out. So we have a better understanding why we like it true black.
At first, you have to bring your jacket to a professional dry cleaner. And for that, you have to take off the fur trim on the hood, fasten all zippers and press all buttons. So after that, your parka is clean, but after the dry cleaning, you can see the spots where the color faded out more clearly. Because we like it true black, we use this tinted waterproofing spray. And this one is from Colonial, and actually it's for nubuck and velour, but it works perfectly fine on the parka. And for a jacket this size or just a coat, you need 3 of these. And we ordered it online at Amazon, but sometimes your local shoe boutique will have these as well. Before you begin to spray it, we hang it up in the garage, or you can do it outside, but it has to be wind still. And you can just use the spray in good ventilated rooms, so don't do it inside your house or your flat. Before we start with the spray, we put a broomstick in the arms so it stands up horizontally. This part under the arms is one of the most used parts, where the arms rub against your body when you're walking. So it's really important that you can spray under the arms. Another thing is that we use a masking tape like you use for painting to cover the Arctic disc on the arm and the label wording on the pocket and all these press buttons. And we also took off the label zipper pull and covered the zipper with masking tape as well.
And now begins the fun part, because now we are doing the first round of waterproofing this jacket. Be really careful when you're doing it inside the garage or outside. Wear your mask, wear one piece of painter cover so you don't get your things dirty, or not dirty but black. You don't breathe in the spray. It should land actually on your parka. For this, the Trillium Parka size L, we used 3 rounds of waterproofing this parka, and we need for this 3 rounds actually 2 to 3 of those Colonial tinted black cans.
So it just depends how much the color faded out on your parka. But Laura has hers for over 7 years now and she wore it regularly. So we have to use 2 till 3 of these cans.
Another thing really important is that you have to take breaks in between those 3 rounds of impregnating your parka. So after the first round, be patient, take some time to let it all dry. And when it's dry and it's really dry again, do the second round and proceed to the third round. Because if you don't wait it long enough, the coating can't dry and then it wears off. And then you have all those tinted color on your clothes, on your hands, or on the things you touch with the parka.
So the color has to sit in the material. And I have to say, we made the whole procedure with my parka last summer before the winter started, because I was on the point where I had to bring my parka to the dry cleaning. And when I got it back, I was kind of depressed because of the faded out color. And I thought, oh, what, it looks so terrible. And I thought, okay, now I have to do something. It's your decision whether you like it this way or not, but we like it true black. So We went on the internet and did some research what we can do, and we found this tinted waterproof spray. You can't just use it for your coats. I also use it for my black Ugg boots, because actually it's for velour and nubuck, and on the Ugg boot it works perfectly fine as well.
But most important, you do you.
So now the parka is sprayed 3 times and the color is really true black again and looks like it's almost brand new.
It's a new one.
We will leave you the details of the tinted waterproofing spray in the description box down below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and follow our journey on Instagram @justjingletingle. Bye everyone, and see you on our next video.